2010 Camaro SS that had 70,000 miles on it. Cut every body panel off of it and grafted a 71 C10 body on it. Used a bunch of their parts to put everything back together. The truck's from Texas. It's true Patina, almost rust free. A couple rust spots I had to repair, but other than that, 7 weeks. I picked the truck up 4th of July and grafted the body on there, and it's done been all the way across the Midwest and back. And now it's headed to Oklahoma. Swung through to check the place out that sells me all these awesome parts. Never really been done before. It's one truck I know of was done on a Pontiac, and it turned out pretty good for him. I wanted to keep the independent rear suspension. This is my version of what I'd call pro touring. You hop in it, go anywhere you want. Still got ABS, cruise control, traction control, air conditioning. Everything works just like a 2010 Camaro. It rides and drives like a 2010 Camaro, but you can actually see where you're going out of it. I bought the car actually for a motor and transmission for a different project, and like I said, the wheelbase is close, so I thought it would work out. So I cut the car down, basically down to a floor pan front to back, left the Camaro firewall with all the heater controls, and just started making the body fit around it. Just wing it. That's pretty much what I did. I'll find you a good donor car that's not hurt too bad. It's not very expensive to do this way. Honestly, I've rebuilt a few of these C10s, and this is the cheapest truck and the most fun I've ever had in one.